Hello everyone, my name is Pierre Chrzanowski. I'm part of the Digital Earth team at GFDRR, and I'm here today in Imagery, Japan for Understanding Risk conference with Ivan Gayton from Humanitarian OpenStreetMap Team. So Ivan, hello. So please tell us a bit about what you do and what brought you in Japan.
Hi Pierre, great to be here. I work with the Humanitarian OpenStreetMap Team. I've been doing community mapping as part of disaster risk reduction since about 2017, often on GFDRR project. Indeed, I started on a GFDRR funded project in Tanzania. And these days we've been working a lot on aerial imagery and data actually generated by communities rather than expensive consultants with fancy equipment.
Sounds great. And could you tell us a bit more about a specific project and the impact on the populations?
Well, we're working together with the teams in the Caribbean with GFDRR to actually empower the local governments and communities to use small, inexpensive drones to create really high-quality aerial imagery products, easily competitive with the kinds of things that you would get from expert consultants with expensive $20,000 Swiss-made drones. And we call that the Drone Tasking Manager, and it's something that we're putting together to really empower people with less expensive equipment to generate genuinely professional data for the kinds of expert analysis that the people here in Himeji, so many of the experts actually do, using that data to do hydrology, seismology, all of the kinds of things that actually contribute to the decision-making process for disaster risk reduction. But this really involves the community at the grassroots level and generates much better and more data. Very exciting project.
Sounds great indeed. So we'll keep an eye on it. Thanks a lot, Ivan.
Thank you, Pierre.